Forget intensity. All the world needs from you is to keep showing up. In a world of real quick success, everybody trying to sell one product or the other on how to make $1 million in so and so days. Our hunger is derived from looking at finish lines we have not crossed yet. We keep worrying about the future, thinking of how we are going to make it happen real quick, forgetting that whatever the bigger picture we are looking at in the future will only happen if we keep a consistent attitude to keep up, step by step, one foot after the other. Only if we continuously keep ourselves in the game shall we get to our destination. We get so upset and impatient that we think we need a real magic trick. We go about searching for real quick hacks and solutions, speeding to reach our destination. But if there is anything I have come to learn from my journey, from my content I create, from the trainings I provide, it is the principle of how consistency breeds intensity. And so when the world is sleeping, I will be working. When it's tough and hurting, my brain plays reels of how what I'm doing is not working. It references all the things I'm not doing, all the things I'm lacking, and all the reasons I should maybe quit. It is amazingly uncomfortable, right? But then I step up, I show up, I put myself in line, because I understand how intensity is a derivative of consistency, and it will surely make its presence known. So exactly 1 year into my YouTube journey, I have showed up. I have been committed and I have held on and stayed calm because I thought only about consistency, and so I moved as planned. In order not for the delta between where you are at the moment and where you want to be to intimidate you, understand it is a process. Stay on the assignment, show up, put in the work, find your rhythm and hold on to it. Do not stress yourself by looking at finish lines you have not crossed yet. People quit and walk away from their dreams because they get caught up in places they are not yet, forgetting that little steps over time are what brings about massive change. This is because they don't understand the snowball effect, that the snowball increases in velocity as it rolls down the hill. And so our efforts becomes the avalanche when we stay focused. So when you feel lost in the jungle, when the obstacles increase in number and the world increase in size, know that there is value in holding on, that the power in stepping up, in showing up again and again and again and again. And by so doing, you put yourself up for success. So when it's your time to succeed, you will be battle ready and prepared, because you stayed up steady. You stayed consistent throughout, step by step by step. So when the world is talking about the shortcuts, the life hacks and the secret solutions that will change your reality, understand they are missing the mark, because you cannot skip the process. Life is one step at a time, one day at a time. And that step by step, brick by brick, you are building something eternal. Something eternal that cannot be manufactured by overnight. You committing to the process means you will ultimately experience something which only can be experienced by those who paid the price. Those who kept showing up. Those who didn't panic. Those who kept putting one foot after the other consistently every single day.